एंजल ब्रोकिंग इज नाउ एंजल वन। पर क्यों? क्योंकि एवरीवन डिजर्व्स ट्रांसपेरेंसी। एंजल वन पे स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्टिंग है जीरो ब्रोकरेज के साथ। एंजल वन, आगे बढ़ने का स्मार्ट सौदा।
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Sandbox, where we dive into the best digital marketing tips and tricks. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. This video is sponsored by Angel One. If you want to open a free Demat account, link in the description. So let's come back to our topics. Introduction. Today we are going to talk about a vital skill for anyone looking to improve their website SEO or find the perfect niche for their content. How to use a keyword tools. What is keyword research? Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about what keyword research is and why it's a game changer for your online content strategy. Brief explanation of keyword research. Keyword research is the process of finding words and phrases that people use in search engines. The goal is to use this data to create content that answer those searches, helping your site to rank better and attract more traffic. Why use a keyword research tool? A keyword research tool simplifies this process by providing insight into the search volume, competition levels, and even the value of target keyword for ad. Choosing a keyword research tool. There are several great tools out there like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and more. For this tutorial, I will be using Google Keyword Planner because free and easy to use. First step, setting up. First things first, you need to set up an account with Google Keyword and more. Walk through the sign up process for or mention if it's necessary. Step 2, starting your research. Once you are logged in, locate the keyword research or keyword explorer. Here where the magic happens. You will typically start by entering a seed keywords, a starting point for your research. For example, if your niche in the coffee industry, your search keyword might be best coffee beans. Step 3, understanding the result. As you input your search keywords, Google Keyword Planner will show you a list of related keywords, their monthly search volume, difficulty scores, and maybe even the current top ranking page. Step 4, analyzing the keyword. Now don't just look at the search volume. High volume often means high competition. Consider looking for long tail keywords which are longer and more precise. Step 5, finalize your keywords. Once you've identified a list of potential keywords, Google Keyword Planner may allow you to save this to a list or export them. Now that you know how to use Google Keyword Planner, it's time to put this knowledge into section. Start searching for these golden keywords that could bring a flood of traffic to our sites. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up. Have any question over your own tips or keyword research, drop them in the comment below. And remember, for more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell.